Welcome to PAM Distributing. Today we're unboxing the UNIVIEW NVR502-32B-P16, a 32-channel network video recorder designed for professional security installations. This model includes 16 built-in PoE ports, supports high-resolution IP cameras, and is a solid choice for mid to large-scale deployments. Let's open it up and take a quick look. Inside the box, you'll find the NVR itself, power cable, mouse, and quick start documentation. Hard drives are sold separately, giving you flexibility on storage size based on the project. On the back of the unit, you'll see 16 built-in PoE ports for directly powering cameras, additional LAN connectivity, HDMI and VGA outputs for local monitoring, USB ports for external devices. We're going to connect the NVR to a monitor, plug in power, and bring this system online. Once powered on, you're greeted with UNIVIEW's clean, installer-friendly interface. Setup is straightforward, with guided menus for camera discovery, recording settings, and network configuration. This NVR supports 8265 compression and Ultra 265, helping reduce storage usage while maintaining image quality. This NVR is also fully ONVIF compatible, so third-party cameras are supported. The NVR502-32B-P16 is ideal for commercial sites, warehouses, retail locations, and any installation where scalability and reliability matter. If you're an integrator or dealer looking for a dependable 32-channel NVR with built-in PoE, the NVR502-32B-P16 is an optimal choice. Available now from PAM Distributing, your trusted source for wholesale low-voltage products and